So I'm just guiding this again to the epidural space. You can take your preference. I prefer T12L1 as an entry point for epidural entry. You can go in T1112, L12, but you sort of have a preference based on what you see on your film picture. So I'm just guiding this needle here into the epidural space picture. 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 There. Again, kind of playing with the needle, making sure that I'm getting the right direction. Yeah. So you can see that these implant leads here have 8 contacts. During the trial, you'll locate a CPS or central point of stimulation with the rep from the company, and they'll know exactly where the patient's getting the best relief. That's why these trials are 5 to 7 days, or some people do a little bit longer or shorter. But by that time, you'll know, hey, the best stimulation and best pain relief the patient received was at, let's say, contact 7 during the trial. So you'll stagger and make sure you have those contacts covered by using this lead. So you don't need as many, you don't need the 16 contacts when you actually implant, because you'll be a lot more specific in terms of where you want the stimulation picture. Let's go live. This one just wants to go forward. So again, I can turn the needle and try to get this to go the other way, because it has a preference to go to the right. Hit live again. It's getting the same sort of bone spur there on that side. So what we can do is redirect here. So what I'll do is I'll go in from the other side if there's some resistance here. Picture. Picture. Picture again. Picture. Picture. Go. So again, this is just, finessing the needle technique, making sure you know you're lost there. And then you can drive this. Again, staying flat towards the body. You can see my angle here. It's not up and down. It's more about 30 degrees, but even the flatter you are, the better it works out here. Live. So we're going up this way. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, so there's a scoliosis in this patient. That's why it looks almost like it's in the gutter. But say we kind of want to stay here. We can essentially pull out the stylet, which I did there, and then kind of also pull out the needle.